On the afternoon of Wednesday, June 14th, 42 migrants arrived in downtown Los Angeles after a nearly 24-hour bus ride from Texas, where Governor Greg Abbott called the removal much-needed relief for the state of Texas. Abbott said in a statement, Texas small border towns remain overwhelmed and overrun by thousands of people illegally crossing into Texas. Immigration advocates said the arrivals, who were given food, shelter, and legal aid at a church near downtown, included at least 8 children and several older people. Speaking to reporters outside the church, advocates and city officials did not provide a full manifest of those who arrived by charter, but anecdotally, most of them came from Venezuela, Guatemala, Honduras, and 2 from African descent. Jorge Mario Cabrera, spokesperson for the nonprofit Coalition for Humane Immigrant Rights, said they're exhausted, tired, and traumatized. Los Angeles Mayor Karen Bass was away on a planned trip to Washington, D.C. when the bus arrived, but city and Los Angeles County officials had initiated multi-agency preparations Tuesday night when word spread that the migrants were arriving. Since last year, Texas has bused more than 21,000 migrants to cities across the country, according to Abbott's statement. Abbott described the migrants' drop-off in Los Angeles on Wednesday as the first group. It is unclear whether Texas plans to send additional migrants. Los Angeles is just the latest California city to receive migrants from red states, whose conservative governors have gone head-to-head with Governor Gavin Newsom. Last week, we discussed 2 flights from Florida that landed in Sacramento this month, carrying a combined 36 immigrants. Governor DeSantis claimed responsibility for those flights. Newsom responded via tweet by calling DeSantis a small, pathetic man and suggested he can face kidnapping charges. In a statement Wednesday night, Newsom took a more measured tone. He said, contrary to what some think, California is also a border state, but instead of demonizing asylum seekers, we focus on working with local communities to support and humanely welcome them. Early Wednesday, just hours before the migrants arrived from Texas, California Attorney General Rob Bonta said his office had filed a public records request to the DeSantis office and the Florida Division of Emergency Management as part of an ongoing law enforcement investigation into the conditions under which the migrants seeking asylum were brought into California. The migrants who were transported from Texas to California, receiving legal support and other assistance from some nonprofit groups, including Sacramento ACT, PICO, California Rural Legal Assistance Foundation, and the Fuel Network. Thanks for watching. For more Brad Show Live, like and subscribe to our YouTube channel.